Hey YouTube, what's up? It is your girl Yasmin Woodland, and today I am going over the Ipsy bag for February. I know I'm a little late, you guys. Like, I've been trying to get my things together. I just had a birthday, so I've been super busy and just like focused on that. But now that my birthday is over with, I can focus on Ipsy and their beauty products. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this. Alright, you guys, so first things first. If you haven't seen my other video, if you're new to my channel, I did the Ipsy January unboxing and they had some pretty dope items. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the bag, and once again it just kind of looks like this cute little pink packaging. And if you hear like jingling, it's my cat just running around being crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna grab the bag out, and once again Ipsy always includes like a card that pretty much lists like what's inside of there and things of that nature. So I don't know if my camera will focus, so I'm just gonna kind of skip that. Also, I am known to butcher names, so if I say something wrong in the video, please don't hold it against me, you guys. Like, I promise, like, I try my best to like say things the right way and it just comes out the wrong way. Who else struggles with that? Alrighty, so I'm gonna hop into the, I have to show the bag. I didn't even show the bag. So the bag is really cute. It has like little kissy faces on it, probably because it's Valentine's Day themed. So I thought that was super cute that they had little kissy faces, and then like on here it just says Ipsy on the little zipper part. And yes, like I said, I already kind of dug into this bag. So what I'm going to do is actually show you guys the first thing that I've actually been using pretty like often, if I can find it. Alrighty, you guys. So the first thing I'm going to show you is called it's by Hanalei. If I'm pronouncing that correct, it's by Hanalei, and it's a lip treatment in peach pink. And I'm going to do a close-up. I'm going to attempt to do a close-up. It just looks like this. Wow, look at that. So if you guys can see that, it's just like a little tube, little bottle. I thought that was really cute. So I've been using this. It smells super good. It smells like bubblegum, you guys. Like, I've absolutely been adoring this. It comes out pink. It's almost like a tinted, really, what's that? It's like a tinted lip balm, if I can speak. It's almost like a tinted lip balm, and you put it on and it lasts for literally hours. It smells like bubble gum. It's really thick, and you can actually feel the ointment like really getting into your pores and your lips. So I absolutely adore this, and I think that's pretty cool because who wants chapped lips? Not me. Moving on to the next item. So the next item, you guys, is by Ciate. If I am saying that correctly, I feel like I am not. Ciate. Yeah, probably not right. It's by Ciate, and it's a Glow 2 highlighter and, illuminating powder highlighter. I actually want to really try this out. I'm going to try this out. Alright, you guys, I'm going to try this out on camera. Hopefully it goes well. I know sometimes like my ring light can totally wash me out. I swear to you guys, my contour is like so much deeper than what the heck is like showing up on camera, and I'm absolutely upset about that. By the way, do you guys like my You Can't Sit With This hat? I know it's not Wednesday, it's Thursday, but I still wanted to rock my hat. So the highlighter looks like this on the inside. It just looks like a little pot, and it's in the color Moonlit, I believe. It just looks like that. I'm using my Sonia Kachuk brush. It's called the Fan Highlighting Brush, and I'm gonna try this on because I am eager to see how this highlighter is. I've been looking for a new highlighter, you guys, and I just cannot seem to find one. So let's see if this will show up on camera, shall we? Let's see. I don't know if any of this is picking up. Can you guys see? Oh, yes, honey. Ooh, this is to the gods, girl. Yes, I'm loving this highlighter. Hold on. This might be my go-to. Do you guys see that? Oh, yes. This is definitely going to be my go-to. Ipsy, thank you so much, because I have been on the lookout for a freaking highlighter, And this is, whoa, like this is crazy. Crazy highlight. I'm keeping this. Oh yeah. Moving on to the next item in the Ipsy bag. That highlighter was on fleek. It came with this Pixie Glow Tonic exfoliating toner. I haven't used a toner. I'm really looking forward to using a toner. It just looks like this. It's this little mini bottle. I'm fond of toners because it's supposed to like tighten your skin and keep your skin from being wrinkled and all that good stuff. So, you know, I'm into that. I don't want wrinkles. I don't want chapped lips. I don't want not highlighted cheekbones. I mean, so I definitely want to try that. So I have 2 more things in my cute little pouch. Alrighty, so I was super excited when I seen this. So, but before I get to that, I'm going to show you guys this brush that it came with. It is by Luxie. And the brush is the Luxie 243 Precision Blending Brush. And it's in this little plastic thingamajig, but I'm going to just take it out. And it's so funny because I've been looking for a tapered brush for my eyeshadows. So it just looks like this. Focus. There we go. It just looks like this, and it's definitely like a tapered eyeshadow brush for like your crease or if you're trying to darken up your eyelid. So yeah, I really do appreciate this because I've really been looking for like a brush like that. So I was really excited when that came. But for the grand finale, you guys, from Ipsy, it's by Huda Beauty, and I have not gotten anything from Huda Beauty. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Like, I've heard that Huda Beauty has like a lot of good beauty products and stuff like that. So I've desperately been wanting to try Huda Beauty. This is a lip contour in the color Icon. So it's supposed to be, it looks like a ruby red. I think this would be really cute on me. I mean, I'm kind of rocking the bubblegum lips today, but I think this ruby red would be really cute on me for any sort of look that Why do I always drop stuff in all my videos? Like, what is up with that? Okay, you guys, so this lip contour from Huda Beauty is in the color Icon. Like I said, it's like a mauve-y kind of color, like reddish kind of color. I think this would be super cute. It just looks like this. It just looks like this, so I think that's really adorable that Huda Beauty actually have like a little mauve red lip. So that is all for my Ipsy bag, you guys. So right after this, I'm just going to film my Birchbox unboxing for you guys for the month of February, and hopefully you guys will stay tuned for that. Again, this is Yasmin Wetland. I hope you guys enjoyed all the products that I showed you in my February Ipsy bag. If you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe and tap the bell for notifications when I do upload. So I'll see you guys later in my next video, and I need to come out with an outro. I don't really have one. I don't know. I'll think of one. So I'll see you guys next time, alright? Bye.